I'm Helen.
And I'm Georgia from Attraction Tickets Direct, and today we're at
Alton Towers! We're here to be two of the first people to ride the brand new Wicker Man multi-sensory roller coaster, which opens here at Alton Towers.
That's right, and as you can see behind me, it's a fully wooden roller coaster, and in fact, it's the first wooden roller coaster to be built in the UK in over 20 years. So that's really something to be proud of.
Not to mention the fact that you're going to hurtle through a 6-storey, 58-foot figure of the Wicker Man, not once, but 3 times.
On a roller coaster completely made out of wood. Should we try this?
Let's go. The Bjornen are a secret community that live in the woods and want us to reject our modern lives and reconnect with the earth.
And I already feel like I'm immersed in the world of the Bjornen before I've even got on the ride. Pitch black, I didn't know where I was going.
So much like up and down, so your tummy will like flip,
yeah.
and then
before you know it, you're going around a corner and you're down another dip and a drop. Yeah.
I loved it.
I absolutely loved it. And I think with all the special effects and the smoke, and I just think the whole experience, you have to try it.
Yeah, and I bet you, I think it'd be really good at night as well.
Yeah, really good.
In the dark, it would be really good.